पार्लियामेंट में असदुद्दीन ओवैसी क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं, सीधे आपको लिए चलते हैं।
आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना सरेंडर्ड माओइस्ट रिलीफ एंड रिहैबिलिटेशन पॉलिसी 2025। मैडम आप बिलीव कर सकते हैं कि ट्रेवर असॉल्ट राइफल इजरायली मिला, 1 मिनट में 30 से 70 लोगों को मार सकते। कहां से आया ये ट्रेवर असॉल्ट राइफल? और सरेंडर्ड ये मेरा मानना है कि टैक्टिकल रिट्रीट है, ये कोई हमेशा के लिए नहीं है। टैक्टिकल रिट्रीट है जो 77 में किया था। और मैडम प्लीज 1-2 मिनट दीजिए। और मैं बताना चाह रहा हूं मैडम, एपी ओडिशा बॉर्डर को हम कहते हैं कट ऑफ एरिया, आयरॉनिकल है, कट ऑफ एरिया बोलते हैं उसको। मिनरल वेल्थ से क्या ट्राइबल को फायदा होगा? 5th शेड्यूल और बेटर गवर्नेंस से फायदा होगा। अगर नहीं होगा तो पैसा और एफआरए से फायदा होगा, नहीं होगा तो फिर ट्राइबल दबेर हथियार उठा लेंगे। ये आप सोच कर चलिए। और आखिर में मैडम, मैं गवर्नमेंट से पूछना चाह रहा हूं कि राइट विंग एक्सट्रीमिज्म will lead to extreme left-wing extremism. And I want to know, a symbolic post has been given to a tribal. But what about grassroots leadership of tribals from Mandal, Zilla Parishad to MLA? That is not being there. Usage of false encounters, demolition of homes, creating an atmosphere where the dignity of tribals and Muslims is taken away. This is being done by those organizations who believe in extremist radicalism and supported by this government. Would you put an end to this radicalism and extremism? Because you cannot, Madam, I'm concluding, and Madam, I'm concluding by quoting what Ajay Sahani had said. Those who believe that the imminent collapse of the Maoist movement heralds a new and refulgent chapter of Indian history of development and of prosperity ignore the dismal on-ground challenges, realities of India's development model. The increasing maturities of polarizing mobilization in electoral politics, the growing inequities and inequalities of increasing predatory oligopolistic economy, and the progressive redundancy of human labor as a result of rapid technology transformation. In the light of such fault lines, other moments of violence will inevitably rise. I hope that this government will exercise caution. Don't sound the victory bells as of now. End the extremism done by your own organizations. Do you know what message is being sent? You have the highest number of Muslims who are youth now. I'm concluding, madam. If your own chief minister says that give them 2 rupees less, we'll create an atmosphere so that they leave Assam, that is not right. That is also an extremism which has to be condemned. Anyone who picks up arms, anyone who utters a word which creates a feeling of vulnerability against the constitution is extremist.
बढ़ते आगे